Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the fact that there may be insufficient evidence for an arrest warrant against Big Joke. What are we talking about here? I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post. It's bangkokpost.com. Article is titled 30 Cops Suspected in Illegal Gambling Site Dragnet, Lawyers Say. Quoting directly, and again, I urge those who are watching this and sort of keeping up with this, check out that article by Bangkok Post as per usual, and really tip of the hat to them. They're really doing a detailed investigate. I don't know, following this in detailed journalism, if you will, regarding this series of events. So a lot of interesting data points in there. In any event, quoting directly, Police General Surachat's lawyer, and that's Surachat Big Joke Hakpan, quoting further, Natawit Neti Jarurot said the team had checked the available evidence and 34 bank accounts linked to the network, but found no connection to Police General Surachat. Quote, a warrant was only sought to arrest a certain suspect, unquote, Mr. Natiwat said, referring to Police General Surachat, who also goes by the moniker Big Joke. Quoting further, some reports said the court also issued a summons for a high-ranking officer later named as Police General Surachat over the accusations. However, the lawyers denied this. Police had wanted the court to issue an arrest warrant for him, but they had insufficient evidence, Mr. Natawit said. Okay, interesting stuff there. As noted in a prior video made contemporaneously with this one, but I'll dig into it a little deeper, it's noteworthy to first of all understand that there's a difference here between an official summons and an actual arrest warrant. Now, let me be clear, I'm an American attorney, I do have Thai nationality, but my training is in the common law traditional law. I have over the years kind of been an avid, if you will, hobbyist engaging in comparative law, mostly because I'm kind of a law nerd, looking at how the Thai system works and comparing it to, for example, the American common law system when it comes to criminal law. One data point that sort of jumps out in this, and I think it's useful for foreigners to understand, to just give some insight into the Thai criminal procedure system, is there is a difference between a summons in an inquisitorial capacity, basically a summons to discuss, basically to do a fact-finding, if you will, to investigate, as opposed to an actual arrest warrant. Now, again, I'm not going to dig into really deep, detailed analysis of the difference between these two things, quite honestly, because as previously stated, I am not a Thai attorney. We have Thai attorneys here at the firm, so that level of analysis is much more within their bailiwick. But I think it's noteworthy for foreign nationals who are looking for a little bit of insight into how the system works here to understand that there is a difference between simply being brought in on a summons, sort of an inquisitorial summons, as opposed to having an arrest warrant issued. Now, another thing to bear in mind is these are Big Joke's lawyers who are apparently talking in this article. And again, I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article in detail so you can get all of the insights out of that. It's quite interesting. Yet again, Bangkok Post does a good job keeping up with those details. But they do bring up a good point that there is a difference between an actual arrest warrant being issued and simply a summons for further information. So how exactly this plays out remains to be seen. We'll certainly keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.